Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make the back of this lovely dress. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you! So I have here my back basic bodice pattern, which I'm going to alter into a back yoke design. This line is the armhole line, and from the armhole line, I will measure and mark 1 inch upwards. At the center back, I will measure and mark 1 inch downwards from the armhole line. I will now connect the 2 points together like this using my French curve and ruler. As for the decorative element at the side of the hole, I will measure and mark 1.5 inches from the shoulder tip, and I will connect it straight down like this using a ruler. I will now place a new pattern paper underneath the back pattern and I will pin it in place like this. I will now trace out the back pattern like this, including the yoke design details. I will make the tracing bolder using a ruler, marker pen and French curve. I will increase the back neck width and the back neck depth by 1 inch. And then I will now redraw the back neckline curve. I will now cut it out. I will close the waist dart like this using a sellotape. I will cut the top piece out on the lace fabric, and the bottom piece will be cut out on the African print fabric and also the lining fabric. Next, I will go ahead and trace out this decorative element at the side of the armhole curve like this. I will make the tracing bolder like this using a ruler, marker pen and French curve. I will label the upper part and then I will cut it out. I will cut it out on the Ankara fabric. So these are the 3 pattern pieces that will be used to make the back of the outfit. I will now cut out the upper pattern piece of the back on the lace fabric, and the lace fabric has already been folded into 2 layers. I will now cut out the lower pattern piece of the back on the African print fabric, which has also been folded into 2 layers. I will also cut out the decorative piece on the African print fabric, which has also been folded into 2 layers, and I use that fanning seam allowance all around the pattern piece. So these are all the 3 pieces that will be used to make the back of the garment. The lower back piece will be cut on the lining fabric as well. So now it has been done, I will now go ahead and remove the pattern pieces from the fabric pieces. I will notch the upper part of the decorative piece so as to avoid mix-up. So these two pieces will be fixed at the side of the armhole curve. I will now measure and mark the position of the decorative piece 2 inches from the shoulder tip. I will now draw a vertical line downwards. I will place the strip on top of the lace like this, right side to right side. I will stitch it in place using half an inch sewing allowance following the guideline. Then I will now fold over the decorative piece so that the right side is facing up. Then I will iron it in place. I will do the same thing on the other piece as well. So now that has been done, as you can see, and I've given the two back pieces a thorough press with my iron. I will now place the lower back pieces cut on the African print fabric on top of the lace pieces, like this, right side to right side. I will flip it over like this, and I will place the lining piece on top of it. Now the lace piece is now sandwiched in between the Ankara and the lining piece. I will pin them in place like this. And I will repeat the same thing for the other back pieces as well. Once I'm done pinning, I will take it to my sewing machine and I will stitch them in place using half an inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see, and I've given the two back pieces a thorough press with my iron. With the wrong sides of the two back pieces facing up, I will place the front piece on top of the back pieces like this, such that wrong sides are together. I will now go ahead and sew the shoulders in place using a French stitching technique because the lace is a little bit transparent. So now the stitching has been done at the shoulder lines, and this is what the back of the garment looks like. I will now finish the neckline of the garments with this bias tape that is of matching color or almost matching color with the lace. So that's it guys, we are done with the back of the dress. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends who are interested in sewing, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.